Alright, and we're back with another YouTube video. This time we're going to cover compound inequalities. Compound is a thing that is composed of two or more elements. So we got element 1, element 2. This one's connected with an OR. So solutions to this or solutions to this are what we're looking for. Kind of explain that in a minute. If you haven't seen my solving videos, you should definitely check those out. I'm just going to solve this using Desmos. So I'm punching in the inequality. 12, and I want to try to get it the variable isolated. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click to where that critical value is. That critical value is 3.2. So I know that x it's shaded to the right. That shade is to the right of the line. So x is greater, and that is an equal to up there. So this has to be an equal to still. And then that number was 3.2, right? And then boom, is it matching up? Yeah, it's matching up. So the solution, or the solution to the first inequality, is x is greater than 3.2. So any number that's greater than 3.2 is a solution. Let's go ahead and solve the other one. And type it in. 12x plus 5 is less than or equal to -4. And I'm going to take this away. I don't want to get confused right now. Here's the shade. I'm clicking on that value, -0.75. So x is less than, because it's shaded to the left, right? Those numbers are less than, so we're going to point it at the x. It's an equal to right there. It's an equal to here. Another way to tell is if the line's solid, it should always be an equal to, and that number was -0.75, and then boom, it matches up. No question about it. So I'm going to go ahead and shade that one out. So our answers to this problem are numbers that are either blue, would be in the blue, or show up in the black. They would show up in the blue or the black. So we're looking for numbers that are greater than 3.2, and I don't see any decimals here, so I'm actually going to convert these numbers and see if convert them to fractions, see if that will help us out. So this is actually -3/4. Sweet. And this is actually 3.2 fraction 16/5. Wow, Desmos is amazing. Thank you, Desmos. And so we're looking for or greater than or equal to 16/5. That's that part, good. Or less than or equal to -3/4. Boom, done. Guys, does it get easier than that? I don't know. Or, so just to recap, what number would be a solution to this inequality? Well, let's see. Is x equals 10? Yeah, x equals 10 would be a solution because it's greater than 16/5. What about x equals -10? Yeah, it's a solution. It shows up in the shade. Sweet. What's a number that's not a solution? So what would be a number that shows up in this blank area? Because these are numbers, these are values that aren't solutions. Let's try 2. 2. Does it show up in the shade? No, it doesn't. So these are numbers that are not solutions. When you have an or, you're just looking for solutions to one or the other. One or the other. Thanks for watching.